Guys, in this video, I will show you a super easy way how you can install Microsoft Store in Windows 10 or 11 in just 1 minute. So if I go on installed apps, as you can see here, and if I write Microsoft Store, there is no Microsoft Store. And if you want to install it, you just need to go on search, and then you need to just go to Xbox, as you can see here, app here. And once you are on the Xbox app, if you don't have a Microsoft Store, basically on the bottom of the Xbox app, you will see this app needs an extra component. Microsoft Store is needed for your account management, and you just need to press install. And as you can see here, now it says it's installing, and Microsoft Store just got installed. So what I need to do here is to then on search write Microsoft Store. And now, as you can see here, I have a Microsoft Store. So guys, yeah, that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.